Okay, so let's solve another LeetCode problem. This is 1194 tournament winners. So we are given two tables. One is the players, another is the matches. Okay, in the player ID and which group that particular player belongs to. So player ID is the primary key in this table. And another table matches where the match ID is given and first player and second player and their respective scores are given in that table. So let's see the table structures. So here you can see it's pretty straightforward. All the player IDs and the group IDs are given here. In the match ID table, matches table, the match ID is there, the first player and second player and their respective scores. Okay, so what we have to find that for each group which is the highest scoring player, and if both two of the players have same score, then we have to show the player whose player ID is lower. Okay, so that's the problem statement. Let's now find out how it is working. So player ID 15, it's given in group ID 1. So in group ID 1 we have four players, right? 15, 25, 30, 45. So for 15 the score is 3, and also 15 appeared as a second player. Here the score is 0. So total score of player 15 is 3. For 25, let's see what's the score. It is 2, and there is no other, so the total score is 2. So still 15 is highest. So for 30, what is the score? 1 and also 2. Total is 3. So 30 also has total score 3, but 15 has the lower ID. That's why 15 is still will be number 1. And for 45, we don't have 45 here, it is 0. So that's why from group ID 1, player ID 15 is coming. So similarly, we can calculate for the others and we can see it here. Okay, so let's go to the coding and see how we can code it out. So here, let me first, create all the tables and insert the records, and then we'll go to the solution. So the tables are created, records are inserted, and it is there. Okay. Now, first thing what we have to find out is that this players, first player and second player, we have to combine their value, right? So we'll create one temporary table with the first player, another with the second player, and we will sum up their scores. So that would be our first step. So let's do that. So this is what we are getting. This is pretty straightforward, right? So after we have that, we will sum up the value. And so what do you mean by this? Just say we are summing up the first score. Now we are doing a group by. So we are getting 15, 20, and this one, right? Now we have to find out the rank of each and every player. So how can we do that? Just it's the rank. So we are using the group ID. So group ID will use from another table. So let's use that table to join. So, so here with this particular table, okay, our inner table which we just see, we will join with the players table based on the player ID. We are joining with the player ID, okay. And once we have that, we'll have the group ID, player, total score, and then based on rank, we are based on the group by ID and partitioning with the group by ID, and we are ordering it by the total score and the player ID as well. So let's see how it will look like. So now we have this value. So for group ID 1, we have player 15 and total score is 3 and rank is 1, right? So for 30, the rank is 2, because it is also ordered by the player ID as well. Now all we have to do is to find out the rank one from this table. Okay. Select. See, we need the group ID and we need the player from this table. Uh, let's give it an alias as RF. So one is 15, 235, and 3 is 40. So this is what the expected result. So thanks for watching this. I'll catch you guys in the next one.